make it.
Pull that hammer back. Get your finger off that trigger. Pull that hammer back. Pull it back. Don't let it go. Yeah, till it lock back. Move your thumb. Don't put your finger on that trigger yet. Point it. Hold it real tight. It ain't nothing to be scared of. Hold it real. No. Hold it real tight, Jesse. Extend your arms out. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Get your finger. Move your hand from right there. Hold it tight.
I got it. Go.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Don't point at me.
That's my eardrum.
That's that. You know how to work this one.
Yeah. Do I do it?
You know, you ain't got to cock it. I already cocked. Cock.
Did I hit it? Oh, I just knocked it
Cock
down.
it. You can shoot the bucket though. You ain't hit that bucket yet?
I don't know.
You hold the camera at the bucket.
Oh.
You got the bucket.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You really knocked my eardrum out. Like, I can hear it going ting. Oh my god. Ooh.
There you go. Shoot that bucket, girl.
Scared.
I done hit it
I
a
don't
couple.
like this one.
There ain't nothing wrong with that gun. That's a big gun. You might need to use it one day.
Heavy.
Pull that hammer back. Keep your finger off that trigger. No, pull it back with your thumb. Get strong with it. Get strong with it. There you go. Ain't nothing to be scared of. You done already did it. Just hold it tight. Don't drop it. Hold it real tight.
I'm scared my ears.
Pull it back and do it again. That joke scared you too much.
I can't even hear nothing out this ear.
It's a big boy gun right here.
Let me hold the camera.
Gotta get me too.
I can see the holes in it. Ugh. Stop it.
Let's go over here and see the bucket. Come on. Hit it a couple times with that 12 gauge. You see how the bullet spread it right there?
Yeah.
In the inside?
Oh yeah. Where's the door?
Right here in the inside.
Oh, see?
Did it go through? Yeah, it went all through. Dang, we forgot to shoot TV. Forgot to shoot TV some more.